Hello guys, so I just wanted to share my thoughts on this gaming keyboard by Motospeed. This is the CK62 model with Bluetooth connectivity and red switches. So red switches are supposed to be quiet and also very soft. And here I can give you an example. So when they say that these switches are quiet, I just think that they compare it to the blue switches. So here I have one with blue switches, and you can hear that clicking noise that the red switches don't have. But these keyboards are going to still produce some noise. So if you want something that is very quiet, then you may want to consider getting something like this, which is going to be much more quiet. So if you don't want to disturb somebody that is sleeping with you, then the keyboard that I just showed you would be more suitable. So one thing I like about this gaming keyboard is that this spacebar usually is very noisy, and here I can show you an example so you can hear this one compared to this one. So this one it's much more noisy, and I like the job that Motospeed did with this keyboard. It feels more firm. It feels that it just they have reduced the noise coming from all the key. And something else I also like here is that they have combined the F keys here with these other keys, and that makes the keyboard much smaller and much easier to hold. Also, the weight of this keyboard is about 1 pound, and it feels like really lightweight. If I compare it to this other keyboard here, this one weighs about 1.5 pounds, and as you can see, it also has that additional row here of the F keys, and it's actually much harder to hold, as you can see here. So that's what I like about this Motospeed keyboard. It's much more portable and very nice to carry. So it's a nice keyboard. Also, as you can see here, um, there's a no there's not a wall here around the edge, so it's much more easy to clean and also to remove the keycaps. um, so you have three connections here that you can connect to three different devices. It has very nice line effects, as you can see here. You can modify each one of them. So this one, if you want to change the color, then you press this other button. You can change that, so you have this other light effect. So here you can switch it out if you want red, green. You can also slow it down, and that's going to be on this, I believe. Yeah, I think that's the one. Or you can, yeah, you can speed it up. You have other here effects. So I like that each key has different colors. So some keyboards don't have that. Some keyboards, they just have one line. One row of keys is one color, then the next row is one color. but this one do have like multiple colors here. So yeah, I like this keyboard very much. The only situation is that when the lack of resistance, so yeah, you may want to consider that. And yeah, but it's not a bad keyboard. I feel like it has a very good quality. So the battery capacity on this is 1300 milliamp hours. um and yeah, it's a I would recommend it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.